What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax Polygonians. We're gonna go over Matic. Currently we're sitting at $1.89 and there's a fly in here, Jamaica. These bugs that get into my crib so easily. We're currently down 1.5. We're sitting at a market cap of 13.3 billion, 24-hour volume 1.28 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free, depending on the level of card you have, as well as travel incentives. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Matic, guys. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we've created a double top. We came up, we hit the 0.786, we rolled over, we tried to break it once again. We hit resistance and we rolled once again. So if we were to lose this level of support for Matic, it could bring Matic back down to about $1.46, but I think it's much more likely that we would come down to this next buy zone here. Let me just get this out of the way, which is coming in at about $1.59. It lines up with the golden ratio. I'll show it to you here on the daily time frame so it's more clear. So you can see here, we came up, we broke the 0.786, we fell back below it, we came up, we hit resistance once again. So if we do roll here, guys, I would target 0.618 coming in at $1.55. Give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce. That's what coins love to do. You can see here, we came up, we hit the 0.618, we rolled over, ABC correction down to the 0.382. We come up, we hit resistance, we can roll over. It doesn't mean you're going to come all the way down to the 0.618. You could very likely bounce off this neckline here or bounce off the EMAs. But in many cases, you come down to the next fib level and you bounce back up to the upside. And if we use Elliott wave theory, we're going to zoom out a little bit for Matic, and it lines up with our bull run target here. You have 5 corrective waves followed by an ABC correction. So you have wave 1, corrective wave 2, wave 3, your largest wave, corrective wave 4, and then you have your last wave taking you up to the 1.618, which is the target for our bull run here at 677. If we see a blow off top, could take us all the way up to the 2, which is coming in at 1181. And then you see your ABC correction, and it brings you down basically into your bear market. All right, guys. And within each wave is 5 impulsive waves. So let's open this up. So we've had impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, which is your largest wave, probably going to take us up to the 1.272. You have corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5, up to your bull run target here at 677. So Matic does still have a lot of room to go up to the target of our third impulsive wave. If we can come up and break this high, we can head up to our technical target, which will break our all-time high and head up to the 1.272 for Matic. Coming in at about 405. Sometimes the third wave will take you all the way up to the 1.414. Then we go through an ABC correction and we see our last impulsive wave up to our bull run target here at 677 for Matic. So I quickly want to show you guys that for Ethereum as well. So we can see Ethereum has broken our all-time high. So we're going to use Elliott wave theory once again, come down to the start of our bull run. So we have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, our largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, and our final wave taking us up to our bull run target here for Ethereum, which is coming in at about 8K. And then within each wave we have 5 impulsive waves. So if we zoom in here, we have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, your largest wave, probably take us up to the 1.272, corrective wave 4, and our last impulsive wave taking us up to our bull run target here of 8,014. I'm sure you've seen Elliott wave theory in the past, so I don't want to get too deep into it. If you watch a channel like Coins Kid, he loves to use Elliott wave theory. And then if we see that blow off top, could take Ethereum all the way up to the 2 extension, which is coming in at about 11.4K. It would be absolutely incredible. That's when you see Matic go to $10, $11 in my opinion. However, guys, in the short term here on the 4-hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a double top. We came down to this previous swing high. I did say that would give us a good little opportunity to bounce here. But if you see us lose the EMAs, we do have the support. The previous all-time high coming in at about 4,375. And the target from our double top brings us down here to about the 55 EMA, coming in about 4,345. Now, if we were to come down, I was talking about a small ABC correction. If we came underneath our all-time high and then we back test it as resistance, that's when you can see a little bit of a further correction. down to these levels of support here. And I think in the worst case scenario, we have the 0.786 for ETH, which is coming in here at about 3.567, but that is quite a steep correction. I think it's more likely that we would bounce off the previous all-time high and start heading up to the 1.272 extension, which is coming in at about 5.687 for ETH. But if you do see us break below it and we come up, we hit it as resistance, that's when we could go through an ABC correction. It doesn't have to be that deep though. We could easily come down to one of these levels of support. This is at 3.876. We do have a support zone here for Ethereum coming in at about 3.846. But if we can bounce from here, we break this high, then we're good to go for continuation for ETH. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. So if your dollar cost averaging, you got triggered in at 196, your next buy zone is at 181, bringing your average price down to about 188. And then if it continues to come down here, you hit your buy zones and you ride the slingshot back up. And then just keep an eye on your double top pattern. If the neckline is broken, can take Matic down to about 142, but I don't think it would reach that target. I think it's much more likely to come down to about $1.55, which is the golden ratio. And then we have a small swing high here at about $1.59, $1.60. Also watch the EMAs here on the daily. Always gives you a good opportunity to bounce. So that's it for Matic, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Check out crypto.com. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.